Hey, what's going on? Aaron here. Hope you're doing well. If you're watching this video right now, you might be checking out CJ Affiliate and you're wondering, is this a good affiliate network for you to start picking products and start selling so that you can generate commissions for yourself, maybe make a full-time income of it, all right? Let's find out all about CJ Affiliate and whether this is a good choice. Now, at any time, if you want to get my favorite way to get to $5,000 to $10,000 a month, 100% from home, just click the link below and I'll send you that strategy for free. You can check it out if you want. Now, I've reviewed hundreds of different ways to make money online, all sorts of different networks, platforms, websites, business models, courses, and some of them are great and potentially you can make a lot of money. Some of them so-so, and some of them are straight up just a waste of time. So let's check out CJ Affiliate to find out whether this is a good use of your time. All right, now CJ Affiliate is a very, very old affiliate marketing network. It's one of the godfathers of the affiliate network industry, right? 1998, that's when it was created. Okay, so you can see here 1 billion global customers, 14 billion annually. I mean, they make a lot of money here, right? And a lot of affiliates. So they've got about 2,869 brands that you can choose from. If you're an affiliate, that means you're somebody who is like me, somebody that wants to come online and partner up with different brands and products. You can come here, and the way it works is very simple. So you can just click on Get Started here, fill out all the details. This network is available globally, so you can sign up from anywhere in the world. And the reason why CJ Affiliate was very popular is because it's got a lot of very big brand names. Okay, so they work with companies like Blue Apron, like IHG Hotels and Resorts, like Bed Bath & Beyond, like Office Depot, like Priceline, like J.Crew, like TurboTax, like Zappos, like Travelocity, like Office Depot, like Barnes & Nobles, like Verizon, like BuzzFeed. I mean, these are household names, right? And so if you're an affiliate or you're a marketer, you're an entrepreneur, and you want to partner up with any one of these guys, like you want to partner up with BuzzFeed, or you want to sell J.Crew products. Maybe you've got a fashion blog, right? And you want to write an article and then link out to J.Crew or Priceline, or maybe, Office Depot because, you've got a DIY, blog or following or whatever it is, right? This is where you can get access to those affiliate programs, which is pretty cool, okay? Now, when you become an affiliate and you sign in, they've got, thousands of brands that you can work with, but every single brand has a different style of affiliate program. You have to understand that, right? So it depends on what industry you're in, what niche, and what kind of product you want to promote, all right? Some products are what's called CPA style. That means cost per acquisition. That means for every lead that you generate, or every single sale that you make, or every application that you get someone to fill in, let's just say you're partnering up with one of their insurance brands, right? You have to fill out an application for one of your customers. They will pay you a certain amount of money. It could be $5, it could be $10, it could be $20, for example. Other products where you're actually selling product, like J.Crew, for example, if you sell one of their tops, one of their hoodies, one of their jeans, or whatever it is, they will pay you a certain amount of commission based on your sale. It could be 5%, it could be 3%, it could be 7%. It really depends on the affiliate program that you decide to join, okay? Now, the way it works is, unfortunately, okay, is that with a lot of affiliate networks, they require you to have some experience. That means that in order for you to get approved into the J.Crew affiliate program, you must have been successful selling other affiliate programs. So this is where the chicken and egg situation happens, right? Because if you're brand new, if you're a beginner and you've never had any experience with affiliate marketing, you don't know how to sell online, right? And you've never successfully sold any of the products on CJ Affiliate properly, like you've never sold, Ibotta or BuzzFeed or HelloFresh, then unfortunately, you might have some trouble getting approved for some of their other affiliate programs. So it's a little bit tricky, right? So if you have no experience, how are you supposed to get experience, and how are you supposed to get approved for affiliate programs? And that's kind of the problem with some of these big networks. If you come in fresh and you have no experience and you haven't sold anything, you might not be able to get approved for some of these affiliate programs. But what I recommend that you try anyway. Just apply to all of them. See if any one of them actually approves you. Make sure that you say you have some exposure online, all right? And we'll talk a little bit about this in a second on how you can get around this, all right? Now, in terms of payment, here's how they pay, okay? They pay 30 days after the rolling refund policy, because some of these companies, like Klarna or whatever it is, have refund policies, 30 days usually, right? So after 30 days lapses, you get paid on the 20th of every single month, and they pay mainly in two ways: direct deposit and by check. Okay, I think it's still very old school, because receiving a check from a company takes weeks, and if you're living internationally, right, if you live outside of the US, it might take you 3 weeks to receive that check, and then another 2 weeks for that check to clear. So that's a total of 5 weeks, 30 days after you've made the sale, where they pay out on the 20th of each month. So it might take you 2+ months before you actually get paid after you make a sale, which is quite a long time, okay? So that's the only, I think, other problem with working with CJ Affiliate. But if you're okay with that, then CJ Affiliate is one of the OGs, okay? They've been around for a long time. They've got thousands and thousands of affiliates. They're 100% legit. They really will pay you out. And they've got basically a portfolio of some really big clients, all right? Big brands. Now, unfortunately, not all of them pay very high, because when you work with big brands like Barnes & Nobles or Klarna or, Shopback or Blue Apron or whatever, the commissions that they pay are generally quite low. Expect to get paid, between 5 and 10%. That's pretty normal, all right? So it's pretty hard to generate commissions. And the other thing I want to mention is that you need experience. And if you're somebody that already has a background in affiliate marketing, so let's just say you got a huge blog in the technology space, in the gardening space, in the mindset space, in the meditation space, then maybe you can use some of their products to promote on your blog. Or maybe you're an influencer, you've got a big following, maybe you're huge on TikTok or Instagram or YouTube Shorts, right? And so it's easy for you to promote these products. But if you're brand new, if you're watching this video right now, you're doing some research on CJ Affiliate and you're wondering, should you, come onto CJ Affiliate, create an account so that you can start promoting some of these products, but you've got zero experience and you don't know how to do affiliate marketing at all, then you might struggle a little bit, okay? Because the problem with CJ Affiliate, just like a lot of the other networks out there, is they do not teach you how to market online. They're just a marketplace. They give you access to products, but you need to learn how to market, okay? So that's the big caveat here, right? But if you do understand how to market, then CJ Affiliate is pretty cool, and you can get access to some pretty big names if it fits your strategy. That's what I would say, okay? Now, if you're here watching this video right now and you're a beginner, maybe you've got no experience, you've never made a single sale online before, you need to learn step by step how to actually do affiliate marketing. Where do you pick the products from? Should you be picking big brand products like this that pay very small commissions? Or should you be getting access to products that pay you 50% commissions, 70% commissions, for example? How do you set up your sales flow? Where do you get traffic? There's so many questions that you need to answer. And if you would like a step-by-step training for free on exactly how to do this so that you can get from zero to your first $10,000 a month with affiliate marketing, I've got a free masterclass that you can check out. If you want, click the link below and I'll send that to you. You can check that out and learn from it, okay? I hope you enjoyed this review of CJ Affiliate. I wish you all the best, and I'll see you on another video review. Take care.